ABC's Allison Gargaro, more pictures and more cold temperatures, right?
Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now, but we did see some snow in those higher elevations up in Tehachapi. Had a lot of people send pictures in that were on Deer Trail up there, so they did get a lot of snow, and some Bakersfield drivers had to use their windshield wipers to get to work this morning, and so that brought cooler temperatures, so 7 degrees cooler than what we were seeing this time yesterday, in those 40s right now for Bakersfield. But we're looking at below freezing temperatures in our mountain communities, so 19 degrees in Pine Mountain Club right now, 32 in Fraser Park, 34 in Tehachapi, and 19 up in Breckenridge as well. So we're talking about those wet roads, freezing temperatures. That's going to be bringing some icy conditions to the roads, so just be careful if you are driving over the passes. But for us in Bakersfield tomorrow, looking at those cool and breezy conditions, but then we're right back up to those mid 60s, even 70s early next week.